Hello, and welcome to the eManage version 7 video demonstration of the barcode costing and payroll feature. We developed this feature for those customers that have employees that work outside of the office and do not have access to a time clock. It can also be used by customers that do not supply smartphones to their employees or have technologically challenged employees out in the field. Payroll and costing can be logged against implementation, service tickets, customer orders, billable services, and projects. I'm going to be working with an implementation for demonstration purposes in this video. So we're going to begin at the implementation calendar, where I've already set up an installation to happen on the 17th. I'm going to go ahead and print the work order for it by clicking on it and hitting the I key on my keyboard. And then I can print this up. It's got a barcode on it that refers to this specific unique work order for that day and that job. I've already printed up, so I'm going to go ahead and do my scanning. We use the ROV Microvision ROV scanner, and it runs on batteries and simply plugs into your computer with a serial port and downloads the barcodes into your system. So I've done my scanning. I'm going to now connect my barcode scanner to my computer. So I've just connected my scanner. It's detecting the device, and it's telling me I have 4 scans of memory. I scanned a clock in, barcode, the work order, and a couple of employees. I'm going to say yes to this. It's creating my CSV file, and it's put them in a place that eManage is waiting to find them. So now I'm going to go to my barcode menu, and I'm going to go to the barcode scan data control window. I'm going to go to my available files, and you can see that I have one from today, which is May 10th at 3:12 p.m. And I'm going to go ahead and uncheck these other ones that are in here, and I'm going to import checked files. So you can see I've got a clock-in control code. I have the installation item for that job, and I have the 2 employees that were processed. So I'm going to go ahead and process all items here. And now when I go back to my calendar and I double-click on my installation, I can see that my 2 employees that I scanned are now attached to that installation item without me having to add them manually, and I have a start time of when it was scanned. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my scanner, and I'm going to do a clock out. And my employees. I'm going to reconnect my scanner. It reads in my scans. And saves my CSV file. I can go back to my scan data control window, and it takes about 20 seconds or so for the available file to show up in here. Every time you click on the available files, it's refreshing to see if that file is in there yet. And there it is. I'm going to uncheck. I'm going to import, and here's my clock out for this installation item and these employees. I'm going to go ahead and process all items. And now on my implementation item, I'm going to have a clock in time and a clock out time. Okay, so my clock out time is 3:13. Because in the beginning I told eManage to create timesheets as well as log the cost and the implementation, I can now go to my time clock. And in here I'm going to go ahead and click on Thomas Fernandez here for today. And you'll see that there is this timesheet with 0.033333 regular hours. It created this timesheet. And if I go to that job, I'm going to go into the final profit and loss where we see our costing. And if I look at my labor cost here, I have my 2 employees and I have my total cost for those employees working on that job. And that is barcode costing. Again, this applies to service tickets, implementation, customer orders, projects, just about anything that you can print up an image, has a barcode, and you can scan time against it. Thank you for watching.